Ang gagawin mo lang po ate ay sundan lang yung sinasabi ko. Kapag sinabi kong English, sabihin mo rin English. English. Tone is used to describe the attitude of the author towards a subject character